Welcome to Easy on Hold Tech Talk. I'm Julie Brown, CEO, and I am with Tim Brown, founder and CTO. And Tim, today we're talking Brandi music, licensed music, our music service with Alexa.
Well, Brandi music is a way for any environment, whether it's a public cafe or a retail environment, a doctor's office, veterinarians, anywhere you need music. Music makes everything better, right?
Absolutely.
And you just can't play any music. It needs to be licensed. So Brandi Music, at a low cost, will license 70 channels of great sounding music that you can blend and create your own background music, blend of music anywhere, anytime. And this Alexa makes it more convenient.
So gone are the days where I had to hire out an expensive AV company to come in and run wires in my walls and ceilings and drop in speakers. I might have those, but this is the new way to do it.
This is the way to do it. Wi-Fi, right?
Gotcha.
So for a very low cost, say a veterinarian office can buy one of these, put it in the lobby where there's waiting area, and you have our pet care channel playing. It's music that's proven to calm pets. Very inexpensively, you've just upgraded the experience at your office. Or we have a pediatrics office that has one of these playing a certain type of music in the waiting area, and then a different kind of music in the back office. So they're easy to set up with different unique streams, and I could show you how to do that if you like. This Alexa is it's called the Echo Dot, and it's very inexpensive. I have the microphone turned off because every time we say the word Alexa, it lights up. That's the wake-up word, okay? So you want to be careful if you say that. So what you'll need to install this Alexa in your environment is your Brandi Music account. You'll also need an Alexa app that you've downloaded to your mobile device. And, that's about it. So let's go right to the app first and go ahead and make sure we have a Wi-Fi connection and look for devices. Devices tells us whether we have this already connected. If I don't see the device, I hit the plus sign and I add a device, and it'll scan and pick up my Echo Dot, and that's what I'm going to connect to.
Okay.
Now, over at brandimusic.com, you have a login. So I want you to go ahead and go to your Brandi Music login, put in your password. Now you're going to go to My Account, and under there, My Company, and along the top, we have a button for integrations, and that is what they call a unique profile ID. You're going to need this in the next step with your Alexa. Now, once you have your app and your Alexa, and the Alexa is connected to the internet, and your app is connected to your device, all you have to do...
Say that again.
Okay, I've got the internet.
Got the internet.
This is connected to the internet.
Gotcha.
This is as well. They're both on the same Wi-Fi.
Yep.
And now I'm going to go into I'm going to search more and then skills and games. And I'm going to hit the search icon. I'm going to type My Brandi Music. And that's going to bring up My Brandi Music.
Love it.
Click on that and go ahead and hit launch. And then choose that you want it on your Echo Dot.
Welcome to your Brandi Music subscription. It looks like you still need to set up your unique ID. To do that, you can say, my unique profile ID is, followed by your ID spelled.
My unique profile ID is 123.
You're now connected to your Brandi Music account. If you want to know your streams, you can say, Alexa, what are my available streams?
Alexa, what are my available streams?
Your streams are stream number 1, Lynx Corporation Laboratory Testing. Stream number 2, Lynx Corporation Oncology. Stream number 3, Lynx Corporation Radiology. Stream number 4, Patient Reception.
Play stream 1.
Starting stream number 1, Lynx Corporation Laboratory Testing.
Alexa, lower volume to 4. So many great commands. There are other things you can do once you've got it set up. I'll give you an example. Alexa, mute. Alexa, unmute. Alexa, ask Business Music Stream, what song is this?
You are now listening to Shine On By, The Coops.
Nice.
Alexa, mute. So it's really easy to get all of this functionality and voice control for very little money. And such convenience is irresistible if you have a small office.
Amazing. So again, I can have one stream, one type of music playing in my lobby, and I could have perhaps peaceful or spa music playing in the operating room or the wherever there's a little more,
or spa.
Yeah.
Right.
In another place. That's great.
Right. It's something that we can help you set up if you'd like anybody to walk through it. But as you can see, in just a few minutes, and again, these are very inexpensive. You've got some good speaker options. Denon EOH, Bose makes some good speakers. Of course, there's Sonos, which is terrific, and Amazon makes quite a few Echoes, different size speakers. Get it sized for your space.
Excellent. Can't wait to get started. So if someone's not techie, they can figure this out.
Just have to say the right words.
Good deal. Thanks for watching Easy on Hold Tech Talk. I'm Julie Brown with Tim Brown. Thanks for watching.